2002 Lexus LS430. Today we're going to be doing a POV night drive, and it seems like we got extreme cold weather here in the southern states. So the outside temperature is probably like sitting around between 19 and 21 degrees, and I already drove the car for about 5-10 miles, just tried to get it warmed up. So I don't have much gas left in the tank, so the range is probably like a 30 miles before the lights goes on. So see what it can do. Tonight is extremely windy. I think the wind is up to like a 20-ish knots. Gust is up to like 32 knots-ish. So the wind noise is definitely a little bit increased. But not much. Like I said, everything just feels smooth and refined. The reason I'm just driving the LS430 tonight because we don't get this kind of weather very often here in the southern states. So I just want to let it exercise a little bit. As you can see, we got like a 20 degrees. And that's the outside temperature. It's probably going to drop to like a 18, 16 by midnight. radar cruise control still works great. So I set about to 80-ish, and I try to keep the distance like about 3 bars. It follows fine. It uses an engine brake as a braking, and it will downshift on its own. And the good thing is you can actually turn off the gauge cluster light. You can turn everything off. Obviously, you're going to see the headlights icons and the shifter light. So, but other than that, you can turn everything off. The distraction from the lights are just very minimal. I even turn the screen off. However, if you do want to turn the screen back on, you can do so. You can just tap the button. See if you want to go to the climate section, just tap the climate. It'll just be on for a few seconds, and just press it again, it will turn on. It's extremely windy tonight. This is full bright, as you can see. This is pretty much the brightness that was set in the night. Here we go. That's proper.
for its guests. The place may remind you so much of your own grandmother, you'll leave with a pinch sheet and a casserole dish of leftovers. Candy from the bottom of her purse, not included.
Oil change diet. The fear of